Going up to Couloir on the way to Pacific Peak. Lee leading the way. As long as you don't give me a cramp onto the face, I'll be really happy. Nice. Nice move. Very cool. Up through the little crux on our way to the ridge. Got to get out of this chute.